Yo, what's up, guys? So, I'm back on YouTube, trying to make another video. It's like 9 a.m. and I'm super tired, but you already know the vibes. So, I'm gonna teach y'all how to get one letter username on discord.com. My friends are probably gonna bully me for this video, but I don't give a fuck. You already know. So, yeah, first things first, go on Discord. And in the description I'll put this copy and paste thingy, this symbol, so you just want to copy that. Right now I already have one, so just go to your user settings, go here, let me delete this and I can change it to a different symbol. Let me think of one. Okay, let's just try that. Fuck. Put your password in, and there you go. You got one letter username. So let's go and find some people to talk to. Flex our one letter username. Yo, what's up?
Here you go.
Yo,
Hi.
yo, I got one letter username, bro. I'm so cool.
What?
I got one letter username on Discord.
Okay.
Did you just laugh at me?
Yes.
Shut your ass up! No one asked. Alright. Let's go talk to some Brawl people. Yo.
Yeah, I could hear you.
Yo. My Discord username cost a
There's a
Bitcoin.
guy
You can't afford this, bro. You can't afford this. Yeah, hush mode.
Combo.
Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo.
Hey,
what's
yo,
up?
man. Hey, yo.
Bro, I got
Hey,
one
yo.
letter username on Discord. I got one letter username on Discord. I'm rich. Y'all can't afford this. This costs a Bitcoin.
What is it?
I'm richer than you and I can beat you at Brawl. You suck ass.
You can bite me?
Did you just say oh hell no. I'm out. Yo.
Oh.
I got one letter username on Discord. I'm rich.
And
How does it feel to be poor?
I'm rich.
Alright. So yeah, that's how you do it. And you can flex your name. Say that it costs a Bitcoin or something. I don't know. But you already know me, guys. Let me show my you guys can add me on Discord. Dogs victim, harmless, e-dater, doxable. You already know. But I'll catch y'all in the next video. Y'all have a great day. Stay healthy. Stay sexy. And yeah. Peace.